Wow. Am I really going on camera with this ginormous pimple that I just had to pop last night? Terrible. Welcome to a new vlog, you guys. Here we are. My boyfriend's here. Yay. We are having some trouble with my printer. So I have some stuff to work on and the printer starts saying error and all kinds of things, and my boyfriend's trying to take apart this teeny tiny little piece of, what's it called, babe? A printer head. He's cleaning it out, taking it apart like completely, seeing if we can fix it that way. If we can't, gonna have to call customer service. Gonna have to probably buy a new one. Not a new printer, a new printer head. I love that he's like patient. He loves to work on that kind of stuff. You're in distress if we're just me, you know? I have my turmeric water. It's just boiling hot water with turmeric and a squeeze of lemon. Got lucky with this nice weather, huh? Are we allowed to park here?
Why not? Why not?
Oh, we need our masks. Do you have it? Oh, where did I put mine? I don't like beer. This is 10 out of 10. It tastes like a soda beer. Try it. Yeah. IPA, I've tried. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like the black swan from Lagunitas that we like.
Yeah.
Antes de la quitaron.
Esa and one from Brewster's too. ¿Recuerdas que en eso venía una de esas? En Brewster's.
Ah, sí. Ahí no me acuerdo el nombre.
No.
But they used to have one at Lagunitas called Black Swan. That was this color too. It was really similar. It was really good. I knew I'd like it. I read like raspberry and I'm like, that's me. You guys, we just went to this place called Bar Bocce. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not even gonna try it because it's B-O-C-C-E. I don't know, but it was really good. And we had a pizza and then their little crab. What were they called?
I can't remember.
They weren't like crab cakes. They were like in a ball form. Can't remember. But right before this, we actually got coffee from Phil's Coffee. Turn it down. I'm gonna get copyrighted. And I went to Sephora and I got hella stuff. This is one of the things that I got. Eye cream. And among that, I got a bunch of other things. So right now we're gonna get some dessert.
Where? Where are we going?
It's a surprise.
Sí, pero ¿para dónde la doy?
Went to a place downtown and they don't have Sundays. I thought they did, but apparently they don't. So we came to Baskin Robbins and got a Sunday.
Sunday?
It's called a Sunday.
Sunday? Como domingo? Wow.
Wait a minute.
Not a Sunday, sorry. A banana split. A sundaes donde tiene, I think it's just ice cream.
Los sundaes no es cuando vas a misa.
A sundaes when it has ice cream, fudge, and whipped cream and cherry.
This is like the full package.
Isn't it so good, this combination? You've never tried one?
Oh, así no.
Uh-oh. We got rainbow sherbet. I like sour and sweet. And then we got the gold medal ribbon and the pecan praline.
Something.
Here's our breakfast: avocado toast, some fruit. My other breakfast. Just kidding. I have not had avocado toast in the longest time. Is that in it? Okay, that doesn't fall. Alright guys, so we just got back from the mall and Walmart. I'm going to show you what I got. I got the new Makeup by Mario brush. The water's boiling. I'm trying to show you guys a haul. The water can wait. I'm so excited for this. I don't know what is up with me lately, but I've been like obsessed with like everything that has to do with like perfect skin, and like if that includes makeup, skincare, everything. So I got this Makeup by Mario brush. This is the F2, and this is for like blush and bronzer, I believe. It's double-sided, and I would use this for blush or like under eye powder, and then this side is like the same shape, it's just a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna use it for bronzer. But anyways, then I finally got the Makeup by Mario Master Palette. It's the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. I've been wanting this for so long, and today I just said, F it, let's do it. Let me get it. I love it so much because I've used my sister's. Okay, this is the last time I exchange my NARS Radiant Concealer. Okay, this is the last shade. This was the third time, and I finally got Vanilla 2, and this is a shade I used years ago when I first tried this concealer, so I should have just stuck with this shade. And then it's my birthday month. My birthday's August 20th. I'm a Leo, so I got my gift, and I really wanted to try this cream, so I'm excited. And I got a sample. I also wanted to exchange my Lancome one because I feel like I could use a lighter shade, but they didn't have it, not even like on the internet, I guess, not even like in stock online, so I was like, whatever, I'll just keep it. And then I also ordered this scrub by Olu Henriksen. I saw I Love Study using it, and I'm like, dude, I had to get that. I need a scrub, something to like really get in there when I'm gonna do my makeup like full glam and stuff. So yeah, that's what I got. Let me put the noodles in and then I'll come back. So these are the noodles I'm going to be using for my pasta dish today for lunch. I really like these because they have a lot of fiber, and it just really helps my stomach like move along, you know. And then these are low in calorie, and I think I'm going to be making like a pesto, sun-dried tomato, creamy veggie pasta. I don't know. I'll definitely let you guys know what I'm going to be using, but this is the pasta today. And then what we bought.
Ah,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's okay. So we went to Walmart. And I get really excited when I go to Walmart because I never really go there because there's not one in my town. What? So when I had surgery last year, I bought the best underwear that I've ever tried in my entire life. And nothing compares to those underpants to sleep in or just like lounge in. They are incredible, amazing, the most comfortable underwear I've worn in my life. And they are incredible, okay? Yeah, they look like they're for grannies, but I literally don't care. Like, I want to be comfortable, okay? Anyways, they didn't have them, but they had these. So the packaging, the name of them, everything is identical. Actually, these are tagless bikini. They're a little different. So I'm gonna try these and see how I like them because I need new underpants to sleep in. I got these for my boyfriend because he loves to snack. I got this barbecue sauce because me and my brother hella like this one. And then my brother's not here, by the way. He went on vacation. He went to Baja Fest, so I'm a little jealous. And then I got these because as of lately, these are just like little like Spanx to put under your clothes. As of lately, I have had like these nude like kind of like flowy pants to wear, like a nude dress, a lot of clothes that need something to put under them, like, you know, because they're see-through. So, and I wanted like something really short because I have like a faja, like the Spanx, but they're kind of like mid-thigh and they're too long. So I needed something shorter, and I didn't even try those on, so hopefully they're good. I don't know why. I never crave stuff like this, but I saw them and I just thought of like limon, Valentina, like, ooh, like even like with like cucumbers and stuff. I just hella was like, dude, I gotta get them. I got hair ties because I need hair ties. I have like no hair ties. I have no idea where they go. I got this bread because tonight we're making chicken burgers with salad. And yeah, so that's all we got at Walmart. Oh no, wait. Last thing, I saw this. And I was like, wow, that looks incredible. I gotta get them and make some sort of noodles at home, like a stir fry. They look so good. Hopefully I know how to make these because I've never made Asian noodles like this in my life. Like, these look like chow mein noodles, kind of. I'm showing you everything that I'm gonna be using in the pasta. First, we have some spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, zucchini, a little bit of these green beans. I'm gonna chop them up pretty small. I have the pesto from Trader Joe's and some cream cheese and probably a little bit of almond milk too if I need it to be a little bit more liquidy. But I'll keep you guys updated. Let's get started. Adding a little bit of this garlic into the pan. Makes a mess. I don't know why every time. Adding a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes. Then I'm gonna grab my sun-dried tomatoes. I'm gonna go with sun-dried tomatoes. This is crushed red pepper flakes. I'm gonna grab a spoon and just saute this on low because we don't want the garlic to burn. I just chopped up some green beans that I showed you and zucchini. And I'm gonna saute that for about 5 minutes. I don't want it to cook too much. And then we're gonna make our sauce when this is ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of this milk. You could use regular milk if you want, because I'm, you know, a little dairy free. Well, not completely, but if I'm gonna be eating something like this, I'd rather make it dairy free. I'm gonna add a little bit of this pesto. Can you come show them? Actually, a lot of it, because this is gonna be pesto pasta. I'm gonna yell, hopefully you can hear me. So at first I thought it was just like different packaging, right? But it's actually different cream cheese. It's like really hard. It's like every other vegan cream cheese I've tried. So that's kind of annoying. I hope that, So I just added about a little more, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of this vegan cream cheese. That'll melt right in. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this mozzarella style shreds by Trader Joe's also. Can you show them? Just about that much. It depends how gooey and cheesy you want it. I want it like rather thin, so now I'm just gonna mix this up. Grab my spoon with all this flavor on it from the zucchini and the vegetables that I made, which is great. I actually wanted to do it in the same pan because then you get all the flavors of the oils and the veggies that you stir fried. This is already looking so good, right?
I know.
See, you can already see this melting. You could use your spoon just to help it break it up a bit, and then just add salt and pepper to taste and throw in your veggies and pasta and it's ready to go. So I'll show you guys when I do that. A little bit of garlic salt. I hate myself for using so much garlic salt in like everything I cook. I add a little bit of that. I'm gonna add my veggies. Look at this. The sun-dried tomatoes and the garlic in here and the red pepper flakes. And if you want to add more pesto and some Parmesan cheese in here, if it needs more salt, you know, just get to it. I mean, you get the idea, but whatever tastes better to you. It's ready. I added spinach last minute because I completely forgot to add it. But you do want it to wilt a little bit, so keep that in mind. Add it before. But yeah, I'm really excited. This looks hella good. Bye!